It's officially release day for Phantasmal Flames, and I was able to get my hands on a Mega Charizard EX Ultra Premium Collection box. Here's the Charizard promo card, here's the card sleeves, and the deck box, as well as the coin. And as for the packs, we have 4 Mega Evolution, 4 Journey Together, and 1 Surging Sparks on this side. And on the other side, we have 4 Phantasmal Flames, 4 Destined Rivals, and 1 Surging Sparks. I'm not going to slow roll you guys, and we're going to get right into the hits. And our first IR is Lily's Rombi from Journey Together. You always have to make sure you use protection. The next couple packs we got absolutely nothing, but this is my first time opening Mega Evolution. And we get a Mega Mawwow EX full art. I can barely even tell what's going on with the art here. And our last hit of the video comes from our first pack of Phantasmal Flames. And we get the illustration rare Flygon, which is one of my chases and my childhood favorites.